Guys, welcome back to my channel with another DIY dyed slime.
My slime's working now because I just made a new
We just made new slime. I just showed my other one. Okay, get your slime out of my face. I just
not even in your face.
Out of their face. But I just made that slime that I made before, and I made new slime and mixed it both together. And now you can actually pick it up without it sticking to you.
Well, it may stick a little bit.
It's just cooler to play with.
Yeah.
And when I get to 200 subs, I will be mixing all my slimes together. I have a lot. I have so much. Like, I've been making it since I was like 4 years old. And I'm 10 now.
So that's been like 6 years.
Yeah. My birthday's soon. I'm just kidding. No, it's not.
Her birthday's in January.
My birthday feels like it's so far away.
My birthday doesn't because it's in December.
My birthday's so far away.
My birthday's on December 28th.
Like, I feel bad because my birthday is in the beginning of the month and I have to wait all the other months and then my birthday comes back. Like, it's so mean.
My birthday's the last month.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, December, November.
December.
I said December.
No, you didn't.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, December.
November, December.
I said November.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god.
But my birthday is on the last month.
My birthday's on the first month. So that makes me oldest in my class. For whatever reason.
I'm the oldest in my class for whatever reason too.
Okay, this one isn't turning out too well. It's chunky. But it does go really good with the flow. So I'm going to make some slimes and mix them together. Different kinds, different subjects, different everything.
And they might have
this one is a clear slime. Clear slime. Well, white slime. Mine's pink over here. The one that I just made. Before I got you guys turned on. I need to get a real vlog camera. I need to tell Dad to get me a real vlog camera for my birthday. No, but seriously, that's all I want. And beef jerky.
She said for her whole entire birthday, she just wants beef jerky.
I do. Okay, I'm just gonna do something real quick. I need to get in my pajamas.
So you can get them dirty?
Yeah. No, I'm putting a towel over me. No joke. I'm just gonna put this.
Her putty actually kind of looks the same, but hers is like
mine's
clear.
darker because mine has blue in it.
Yeah. The pink is like a peachy color. That one.
Why was there a sock in my shirt? What? There's a sock in my shirt.
Inside of your shirt.
Inside of my shirt when I took it off. What? Took it off. Put it on. What is? Are you talking about killing someone on my TV?
Don't ever play with it when it's still sticky.
Yo, yours is bad. Like, I could play with mine. Pick mine up. Look at it. Yours is horrible.
No, because I squished it around. I did this.
Well, you shouldn't do that. That's one of the baddest things you could ever do with slime.
Just to let you know, they saw that.
I don't really care. I had underwear on, so naked pantyhose. Where you at? I need a party.
With a Barbie.
Ew.
Just kidding.
What the heck? I'm Barbie girl.
I'm in the Barbie world.
Life is plastic.
And I'm fantastic.
And it's fantastic. You can brush my hair. Undress me everywhere. That's literally what it says, no joke.
Doesn't it say my boobs are plush?
My boobs are plastic. Let's have some fastic. It's weird.
This kid always sing that at Jaden's wrestling thing. Mason got stuck in his head now.
If you don't know what who we're talking about, it's my little cousin, who's 7, which is close to her. She's 8.
He's 6, ain't he?
He's 7. And I'm 2 years ahead of them, so I'm the big sister.
You're 3 years ahead of him.
I'm 2 years ahead of you, and I'm 3 years ahead of him. And I am a lot of years, not even years. My little sister is Ella, and she is still in the hospital because she came out early.
Way early. She was supposed to be born at the end.
June.
At the end of June, and she got born at March 29th.
It's not good. So she's not even like.
She's not even like a. She's a pre-baby.
She's not even a month old yet, so she's like days old.
She's not even a week old.
I think she's like 2 weeks old.
She's
1.5 week old.
Yeah.
She's been in there for a long time, and we don't get her back home until like
the end of June. 2 months.
Actually, it depends on how she grows.
She is growing pretty good already.
So,
she's almost into her crib yet already.
So it might be like the middle of May around Kaylee's birthday. I don't know where Kaylee's having her birthday, honestly. Probably over here because you could be as loud as you want. And you can brush my hair. Whoa. This one's like Jello.
Is it working?
Yes.
This is how mine turned out to be.
Ew. Shelly, what'd you put in yours?
You made it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Because these are the ones I made.
No, you put the ingredients in it.
What is some dye that we can use? Because I wish we would have like did that to our food coloring. I'm gonna try it. We'll try it. Go get it.
Can I just like this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. It's my old towel anyway. It's for the window.
Okay.
I'm gonna actually try it.
Ew.
Feels like you're wiping it on my pants, but not. Oh, what I wanted to show you is when you put way too much salt in it.
You already showed them that.
They didn't see it properly.
Okay.
Well, she go get some paint. Oh god, I don't want my charger to get in freaking slime. DIY stuff. So if you put way too much salt in it, like I just put 3 shakes in it, like if you mix it, it gets like all liquidy and ew. Like look at this. If you pick it up, it's like that. Oh my god, that was such a good throw. She almost made it in the dang slime. That's ugly. I know you're supposed to use acrylic paint, but we're not using. We're gonna try it. But what we have is Farm Apple hand wash,
and this is
it's just paint from like a paint set.
Yeah.
But then we have some salt.
She had this rock art. She had this rock art set that she didn't want any. Well, she used all the rock.
Save Daily Clarifying Shampoo. You have 3-in-1 ASUS Coral Reef Cupcake, which is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in that. We did have this hand soap, but it's all gone. And this is almost all gone. It is Mango Splash.
It smells really.
It's made with papaye and cocoa butter. Papaye is a fruit, and cocoa butter is just pretty much butter made of cocoa beans. So we're just gonna set those. Wait. We're just gonna set those all down, and we gotta show. Wait. We gotta show how to make this one. Oh man, another ant. I'm sorry with all the ants in my room, because this one actually turned out pretty good. Does not stick to your hands at all. Like, look at this. I spoke too soon. But this one it's not that bad. It just needs, I'm going to say, maybe a little more shampoo. But I'm going to add that later. This is my new one. Wow. I thought it was that one. But this is, I'm going to show them how to make it. So you have 3-in-1 Dory. I just have Dory. I don't know why I have Dory, but I love Dory. So you're going to need 3 squirts of this. I prefer you use this because it's the best kind ever. 4 squirts of that. Ever living associates. now. 2 or 3 squirts of this. I'm actually only gonna put 2 because one squirt of my shampoo that I have here, and I'm gonna try to get some of this body wash out of here. Oh, actually, I got some out. And then you're just gonna pre-mix it, and it should clump up into one.
Daddy, I accidentally got.
It better not be on my charger.
You're like, it better not be on my charger.
But then it, as you can see, those are the 2 I already made. I don't, like, my camera quality sucks, guys. I'm so sorry. I need a drink. Kool-Aid. Then
It's
you
not
just,
Kool-Aid. Oh, yeah.
yes, you need
Can you give me the body wash?
one. It might not come out, so don't make too much noise with it. You just need a pinch of salt, not even a freaking teaspoon of salt. I'll wreck it. Pinch of salt.
Because some people are dumb.
Little pinchy. But I'm gonna try it. Actually make some.
And get some salt in.
And then you just stir like that. Clumps up. I'm sorry you guys can't see. I'm gonna have to get like a stand for your camera. You know how that like YouTubers have it, like Jake Paul. Actually, you don't. You know how Dr. Squish? No, Bubble Pop Kids has it, like their stand like that to see when you're cutting with the squishies. I need one of those. But I'm gonna have to show this off soon. But this is my. Can you see, guys? This is my one I already made. It's not that bad. One of my dad's hair beards is in it because from that downstairs. But if I mix it, it actually turns out. I'm trying not to move this thing, but it actually turns out pretty well. I mean, it actually. I'm sorry for my charger. I'm sorry for everything in my life, but it actually clumps together pretty well. But
It's totally working.
I think. Whoa!
It worked so perfect, guys. Look at it.
Whoa! I like that. But what if it hardens up? Okay. But here's this.
I just feel it. I'm like, it's not gonna harden up.
I don't want to put any paint in this one just in case it hardens up. But I'm gonna try to put some paint in this one.
Just so you know, blue and green and red are out.
I'm gonna try to put some blue in, but I'm gonna actually try put some purple, and I'm gonna try to make a rainbow. How about that? I'm actually gonna put just purple and blue in if I can get blue out, some blue out at least. That's gonna make an ugly color, just to let you know. That's my second one I made. And you saw my first blue one.
More yellow in.
You saw my first blue one. That's what I mixed with one of these pink ones. But the pink one was better, and it made it really cool. But this is my second one. You can also pick it up. This one you can't really pick up much. Told you. Look at hers. Ew, she mixed purple with it. That's why I told you it's gonna make an ugly color, girl.
Maybe if I add more yellow, or will that make it worse?
You could try. This is one I just made. I need to add a little more stuff to it.
I think I need to make a new one.
This one's cool. Ooh, I like this one really a lot. It don't stick to your hands at all, girl.
This one does.
Look at this.
This one does.
Ew, it looks like poop. Why is it like that?
Because I put too much paint in it.
Sweet. This one,
And just
I
to
love
let you know,
it.
you can't put a lot of paint in it.
It's supposed to be acrylic paint. But I think that actually is acrylic paint because it goes on the rocks. But if you pick this one up, no stickies.
Am I allowed to wipe this one?
No. Just go wash your hands off. Or you can use that. I have to go now, guys. I'll show you some of my slimes later. Once we get to 200 subs, I will mix all my slimes.
If she even has any. I'm sorry, she has some.
Like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you get notifications every time I post. Peace.
Ew, look at that.